maximize benefits to the ACP local governments and local government associations from international development programs, mainly those programs by the EU. What does this mean for us as local government associations? In order to benefit, local governments need financial support. But not only the financial support, but it also needs to be able to use that financial support effectively to ensure aid effectiveness. It also means that the local government association has a role to help the individual or the groups of its membership, which are the local authorities, to obtain support or to obtain funding from the same international development partners. It also means that the local government association has a role to access, manage, support funds on behalf of the local governments that it represents. It also means that local government associations have a role to train their membership to obtain support from the EU or international development program or other international development programs. Those are the three areas, the three themes that will guide us throughout this workshop. The first theme is to know yourself. That's the blue one, the blue thread there. And then that comes today. Then know your donor programs that are around us. It comes again today. And the other theme is know the tricks. In other words, know how the donors operate, know how they work within the region. So, in the know yourself theme, what are we going to do? What will we be doing? We will reflect on the roles and positions of the local government associations. We will also assess the strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats in relation to donor requirements. And that will be done today, and Ben is going to be looking at that extensively. Then also, in the Know Donor program,